So what was the big adjustment going from Albany? Keep it real, Savage Truth.
Well, let's face it. I came from a city that was probably 60-40 in terms of ethnicity. It was probably 6% black, or 40% white, or half and half or something. And the state of Georgia obviously has a lot of African Americans in it, so there's a certain culture that goes along with that. And then I showed up in Madison, Wisconsin, and we were 0.3% of the population. There were 40,000 students and 1,000 students who were of African American descent, and half of those were African. And you know how that went back in the day in terms of how those groups interacted. So part of it was just cultural. Hey, I wanted to have greens. Nobody could get greens. I wanted grits. No one had grits. Okay, the music was the polka. I'm looking around like, what in God's name is this right here? So I'm fortunate that I was from a family that raised me to judge people by the content of the character. So black white wasn't an issue for me, but culturally it was difficult. There was no music. There was no radio station. All right.
Right, and we had hair.
Yes.
So you couldn't even get a hair product.
Couldn't get a haircut.
Oh, I was a barber.
So it was different. And then I'm 1,000 miles plus from home. I've never been away from my house, man. You got to adjust to that. But still, when your friends go home on the weekend, you might go home with them, but you're not going home to your house. You're not seeing your parents. You're going to miss holidays for the first time in your life that you've always. Those are different things that when you're 17, 18 years old, you don't consider until you're put in that position, and then you have to deal with it. And some people deal with it well, and others not.
Mm-hmm. Oh, well said. So, what would you say to that person that let's take the hypothetical now, which we see going on, as you and I both know, over these last 2 months, the recruiting game has changed, but essentially most of